Hello, I am Melissa Stinson. Thanks for checking out my open source project. It didn't turn out exactly as I'd planned, but I think it will work. Through the OER Commons, I was able to create what I'm calling an interactive outdoor school journal. You can see here, it is set up in units. And within each of these units are placeholders for specific aspects of the project that I'm working on. The videos open up within the page and run there. And I wanted to be able to, since the OER Commons allows you to link the resources into Google Classroom, and that's through, you can see right up here, the Google Classroom icon. I was able to then create a Google Classroom for an outdoor school journal. When you link into the Google Classroom through this, it creates it doesn't have the interactive qualities that I wanted. So I went through and created individual entries as assignments through Google Classroom with Google Docs so that students could perform their work directly into a Google Doc, creating that interactive nature that I wanted. In the case where there were locations that also had videos, and you can see I also linked some other things for interactive pieces here. But as you go down the page, you can see where there were places that there were videos. I linked the video and the document directly into the Google Classroom in order to create a more seamless piece of work for students to access. That's the part that didn't go exactly as I had planned. I had not planned on having to create the documents in Google Docs as well. And perhaps there's another way I could have done it, but this is what turned out to be easiest for me to be able to create something that was going to be usable for my students since they are fifth graders. They can turn in these individual assignments to me, and it's a standard place for them to collect through Google Classrooms. There's still more that I have to learn about utilizing the OER Commons resources and tools, but I have already shared the resource that I created through OER Commons with my cooperating teachers or my teaching partners, and they have already said how they can see that they will be able to help utilize in their classroom as well. So thanks for taking a look. Looking forward to your feedback, and have a good spring break, everyone.